All right, I've done a couple things. I figured the one thing that could go wrong on the current thing was the kind of a shunt resistor for the current thing to put exactly 0.6 volts across the base emitter junction and stuff. Anyway, I suspected that maybe the potentiometer was bad, so I opened up the back. The back just pries off of these things, and it's a wire wound, and it had a lot of dried gunk in there, and I tried cleaning it up, but one of them cleaned up okay. The other one looked like it was actually damaged. It had super fine wire. It looked like the wire got snagged. So anyway, I decided, well, I'll just replace the two potentiometers. One is a 50K and one is a 1K. The 1K was for the current, and then the 50K was for the volt. So I had some in my junk bins, and so I have put new knobs or new potentiometers in here. And I did go to the store and I purchased a 680 microfarad 200 volt capacitor. So that's in there now. And when you turn it on, it now does the voltage thing and then does the current crowbar. If I lower it down, boom, there it's crowbarred with this resistor here, which is a 1500 ohms, I think. So there you go. Turn the current back up, and boom, it comes back again. I can go up to 50 volts. It might be doing the current thing. No, it just won't get there. That's fine. So there you go. Everything is working really good now. Yeah. So I am going to call it done. And it is a cute little power supply. I do like it. Again, it was made by, if anybody knows this company, give a shout out. Pacific Radionics. What did they build? Was this the only thing they built? And this is serial number 215. That might be the 15th unit built in the second year. You never know about these things. Model PP-20-3, 50 volts at 0.4 amps, and it runs at 47 hertz to 420 hertz. So, yeah, there you go.